So let's see the questions. 31 to 35, we have a data interpretation. In a data interpretation, they are mentioned total students is 2200. Yes, this is belongs to 2017 year. It is a starts from 6th class. 6th class is 20% and 7th class is 35% and 8th class is 15%. 9th class is 18% and 10th class is 12%. If it is all are added, it should be equal to 100%. Now we will see the directly question. And we know that total value of all the students is how many members? 2200. It should be equal to 100%. Now check the question. The total number of students study in class 6th and class 9th. Class 6th and class 9th means it is a 38%. Nothing but 38 members. Is approximately what percentage more than that of total number of students in class 10th. Class 10th is how much percentage? 12%. 38% is more than the 12%. How much more? 26% more comparing to 12%. We need percentage multiply with 100. 12 to 24 2 times. 2 times means 2 into 100 200%. Answer should be nearly 200% and more than 200%. Then 12 to the 24, remaining is decimal. It is a decimal is 1 point, it is a 20 in 21 point. That means answer is approximately how much percentage? 210%. Approximately 210% means exactly how much percentage? 217%. In class 6th, the ratio of boys to girls is 6:5. 20% of 2200. 20% of 2200, how many members? 440. In 440, ratio is 6:5. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 parts. 11 parts equal to 440 means 1 part equal to 40. 1 part equal to 40 means 6 parts equal to 240 and 5 parts equal to 200. 240 plus 200 equal to overall 440. And first one is belongs to boys, second one is belongs to girls. And the total number of girls in class B is 50 less than that of total number of girls in class 7th. Then here is content class 7th is how many number of students? 15%. 15% of 2200. 15 to the 30, 15 to the 30. It is equal to 330 members. Okay, 15% of 2200, how many members? 330. In this 330, the girls is 200 in a class 6. In comparing to class 6, class 7th is 50 more. That means it is a 250. And now it is a how many number of boys are there? How many number of boys here? 180? 180 or 80? 80. Okay. The question is, find the ratio of total number of boys in class 6. Boys in class 6 is 242. Class 7th. Class 7th is how much? 80 na? 80 or what? 80 na? Ratio match out. Here is how much percentage will take? 35% na? 35% of 2200. Nothing but 70% of 110. It is equal to 770. In 770 it is a 250 means it is a value is how much? 520. Now we have to take the ratio of these two between. So here 240 and 520. Ratio is how much? 24 and 52 both are cancelled with 4 table. 4 6 are 4 13. The ratio is 6:13, option D. In 2018, basically the total data is belongs to 2017 only. In class 7th, in class 6th and 7th increased by 10% each. Class 6th is 20%. 20% becoming 22%. Because in 20% 10% value 2 will be increment, it is becoming 22%. In class 7th it is a 35%. In 35% 10% increment, it is becoming 38.5%. In 35 10% value 3.5%. 3.5% increase, it is become how much? 38.5%. And class 8 is contain 15%. In 15% we decreased by 20%. In 15 20% is how much? 3%. In 15 3% will be removed, it is how much percentage? 12%. We should add these two values. 22 plus 38. In this we will take the differences. We require a difference. Here to here is after the increment, after the decrement, they are asking the difference. 12 is removing from 22, the result is 10. 10 plus 38.5, 48.5% of 2200. 48.5% of 2200, that is answer. 48.5 double. 48.5 double value is 97% of 1100. So 97% of 1100 means percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 97 into 11. 97 into 11 means 7 and 6 10. Then answer is 1067. Option B. If the total number of boys in class 8th is X and the total number of boys in class, it is the total students will write. 15% of 2200, 330. 18% of 2200 is how much? 396. In this total, class 8th and class 9th, total students is how many members? Total students how much? 330 plus 396. 330 plus 396 how much? 726. In 726 boys are there, girls are there. In two classes total girls are how many members? 306. This belongs to girls and remaining members are belongs to boys. Boys is how many members? 420. But class 8th and class 9th, the total number of boys is clearly mentioned. Clear is how much? X plus 40. Here is X plus 40. X plus 40. Then X plus X equal to what? 2X. 2X equal to 420 minus 40 equal to 380. Then 2X equal to 380 means X is equal to how much? 190. Option E. What is the difference between the total number of students in class 7th and class 8th together to the class 7th and class? Here the 35%, here the 15%. It is equal to 50%. And total number of students in 9th and 10th. 9th and 10th is 30%. Here the difference is required. Difference is how much percentage? 20%. 20% of 2200. It is equal to 440. Option C. We have a miscellaneous. A man invested 15% of his monthly income. His salary we don't know. 15% is completed. 15% is completed means remaining is how much percentage? 85%. Again 10% is completed. Again 10% is completed means remaining is how much percentage? 90%. After the two type of expenditures, he have 30,600. Then what is his salary? Okay, what is his salary? Cancel the measurements. Here is 0, 0 cancel. 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 3400. Cancel with 17 table. 17 2s are 34, 17 5s are. Okay, 5 to 240 and X equal to 100 into 10,000, 1000 into 40 means it is equal to how much rupees? 40,000 rupees. 40,000 rupees means option E is right. Question. Correct questions are get 7 marks. Wrong question will get 4 marks. Okay. Total number of questions is how much? 58. Go with the options. 45 questions are correct. 45 questions are correct means wrong questions is how much in 58? Wrong questions are how much? 13. 45 plus 13 which is equal to how many questions? 58 questions. Check it. 45 into 7. 7 40s are 280, 7 5s are 35. It is equal to how much? 315. 13 4s is how much? 52. Out of attempting, wrong questions will be always removing. Wrong question marks will be removing. 5 minus 2, 3. 31 minus 5. 263. Matches the 263. Then which option is right? Option A is right. In city, 68% is population. 68% is population literate. And illiterate, how much? 32%. 68 plus 32 total 100%. In this literate, they are asking find the ratio of literate female. Literate female means 6 parts. 6 by 17 into 68. This is ratio to illiterate female. Illiterate female means how many parts? 1 part. 1 by 4 of 32. Total village value is 100%. Cancel the measurement to get the answer here. Look at 32 to 68 2 times. Okay. Then here value is 32 na? Yes, 32. 32 to 2 it's a 4 times and next it is cancel with what is the number? Yeah, it is a better. 17 4s are 68. Okay, it is a 4 how many times? 8 ja. It is a correct way. Then again 8 1s are 6 4s are 24. How many times? 3 times. The ratio is what is the ratio? 3:1. Okay. Ratio of length and breadth of the ratio is 4x and 3x. This is length and this is breadth. Area equal to 108. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 to 108, 9 times. X into x, x square equal to 9 means x equal to value is what? 9. And they are mentioned breadth. We need to calculate breadth of this rectangle is equal to the side of the square. Then find the area of the square. Area of the square means side square. Then side is equal to how much? Breadth. The breadth equal to 3x. 3 into is how much? 9 3s are. So it is what? 3 kada? Yeah. So it is a 3. 3 3s are is equal to 9. We require 9 square. 9 square is equal to answer is what? 81. Option D. So breadth once you know, you will calculate. That is the area. Next. A is 1.5 times efficient as that B. B efficiency is 1. If B efficiency is 1, A efficiency is how much? 1.5 times. A's efficiency is comparing to B 1.5 times. And C takes half of time to comparing that of A. Okay. Then C takes half of the time to A means C efficiency is double. C efficiency is double means C efficiency is become how much? 3. Time half means efficiency is double. Okay. Now you have a A efficiency, B efficiency, C efficiency. Okay. A and B took 2 by 5 days. It is a how many days? 2 by 5 days. A and B. A, B both will completed 2.5 units per day. A completed 1.5 units, B completed 1 units. Both will completed 2.5 units per day and they worked for how many days? 2 by 5 days. How many days? 2 by 5 days. This is the same work we are assigning to. This is the same work we are assigning to whom? AC together. AC together means A efficiency is 1.5, C efficiency is 3. It is a total efficiency is how much? 4.5. This work is done by AB. Now it is assigning to AC. Then how much time is required to complete the answer? So 25 will map 2 by 5 is a mixed fraction. Convert into normal fraction. It is a 12 by 5 and 45 into 5. Cancel the values here. So 5 5s are and 5 9s are. And you can observe the one point. They are completing not full work. They are completing how much work? Half work. Half work na, that is you can multiply with 2 here. To full work purpose, you should multiply with 2. Now, 3 3s are, 3 4s are. 4 2s are equal to how many days? 8 3 by 5 days. Okay, because they are mentioned half work, that's why I multiply with 2. Okay, full work purpose, it's the double time. Then into 2 into 2. 8 by 3 equal to how many days? 2 by 3 days. 2 by 3 days means option E is right. Yeah. There is a number series. 4096 becoming 1024. It is a divisible by 4. And again it is divisible by 4. It is a 256. Again it is a divisible by 4. 64. Again it is divisible by 4. 16. Again it is divisible by 4. Then answer is what is answer? 4. Option D is right. Okay. It is a divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Next. 3 4 10. Here 3 plus 1 and multiplied with 1. It is equal to how much? 4. 4 plus 1 and multiplied with 2. It is equal to how much? 10. 10 plus 1 multiplied with 3. It is equal to how much? 33. And 33 plus 1 multiplied with 4. 34 4s is equal to 136. Then again same 136 plus 1 multiplied with 5. It is equal to 6 plus 1 7. 7 5 is 35. Last digit should be 5. Only 685. Increase the one and multiply it with consecutive series of 1 2 3 4 5. Next. 1122 139. Difference is how much? 27. And 139 to 203. How much it is difference? 64. It is nothing but it is a 3 cube. It is a 4 cube. And it is again incremented by 125. 5 cube. And again it incremented by 216. It is a 6 cube. Now 544 added to 7 cube. 7 cube answer is what? 343. Then finally answer is what is answer? 887 option D. Here 3 to 8. It is what? What is the difference here? 5. And here the difference is 10. And here the difference is how much? 15. And here the difference is 20. And here the difference is how much? 25. Next we should add it 30. 78 plus 30 answer is what? 108. Option C is right. 20, 21, 25, 41. Here 20 to 21, what is? The difference is how much? 1. And 21 to 25, difference is how much? 4. And 25 to 41, difference is how much? 16. Okay. This is 20 and 21, 25, 41 and 361 and 1385. 4 to the power of 0. 4 to the power of 0 value is how much? 1. And 4 to the power of 1, 4. 4 to the power of 2, it is equal to how much? 16. Next we should implement 4 to the power of 3, 64. 4 to the power of 4, 256. 4 to the power of 5, 1024. Okay. Now 4 to 41 plus 64, which is equal to, answer is, what is answer? 105. That means option C. Next is approximation questions. 343 to the power of, 343 means nothing but 7. Okay, 343 to the power of 1 by 3 and into root of 35, you can write 36 and plus 1728 to the power of 1 by 3 into 216 to the power of 1 by 3. This is the question. 343 to the power of 1 by 3, it is equal to value 7. 7 into 6 plus 12 into 6. 7 into 6 plus 12 into 6, it is equal to 19 into 6. Okay, 19, 6, the answer is what? 114. Option C. 40%. 40% of 1200 and divided by 8 equal to x into 12. 12 to 12 cancel. 40% wise 2 zeros cancel. 8 to 40 how many times? 5 times. Then x equal to 5, option A. 13 square 169. 16 square 256. 12 square 144 by 9. 9 to 144 how many times? 16 times. And 169 plus 240, because in 256 16 is removed, you will get 240. 240 plus 160, 400, extra 9. Answer is 409. Option E. Next. 459.88, you can get 460 into 820 divided by 41 equal to x into 115. 115 to 460 4 times. 41 to 82 20 times. Then 420 is equal to, it is equal to 80. Option B. Next, 25%. 25% of x plus 75% of 400, which is equal to 16 of 2500 percentage. 25% of 1600 or 16% of 2500, both are same, it is equal to 400. And 75% of 400 equal to 300. 25% of x. 25% of x means x by 4. Then 300 is removing from 400, it's a 100. 100 into 4 equal to what is the value? 400. Option C. Root of 323. Basically, root of 324 answer is what? 18. 18 into 867 divided by 6. 864, yeah. 864 by 6.18 square, nothing but 36 equals to x into 8. Cancel with 8 table. 8 ones are 8 8s are. 36 to 108 3 times. 18 3s are 54. Option B. Root of 145, you can take root of 144, it is a 12 and 14 divided by what is the value? 21, which is equal to x square minus 8. And cancel with 7, 7 3s are, 7 2s are, 3 4s are, and 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 8 equal to 16. X square is equal to 16 means x equal to 4. Next, 240 divided with 15, 15 into 16, which is equals to 20% means 1 by 5. Okay, 15 to 240. 15 to 240, how many times? 16 times. 16, 16 ja 256. 256 into 5 equal to x. Okay. Then 256 can be multiplied to 5. What is answer? 250 5 ja 1000. 6 5 ja 30. It is equal to answer. Answer? 2 1280. 1250 plus 30. 1280. Option D. 24.77 will write 25 of 404 plus 236. 404 plus 236, it is equal to 640. 640 percentage by 8. Okay. 25 percentage of 640, otherwise 640 percentage of 25, both are same. Okay. 8 to 640, how many times? 80 times. 25 percentage of 80. 25 percentage of 80 equal to how much? 20. Option E. 1423, you can write 1424 divided by 16 and 40 percentage. 40 percentage of x, which is equal to 313. Cancel with 16. So if you cancel with 16, what will happen? So 16 1 the 16. 16, how many times it goes? 16 8 ja. 16 8 ja equal to 128. 128 means remaining is how much? 144. It is a 16, how many times? 8 9. Then 89 is removing from 313. It is equal to what is the value? 224. Then 224. Then 2 to 224. How many times? 112. Then x equal to what is the value? 560. Option D. So next we have a directions based on the data interpretation. Look at the question. What is the average revenue of the company over the years? Red line is belongs to revenue and blue line is belongs to expenditure. Then what is the revenue here? Then revenue is how much? 600 plus 1000 plus 900. It's a 2500. 2500 plus 1500. So 4000 means it is equal to 5050. Total revenue. Total revenue is belongs to red line is belongs to 5050. This is how many number of years? 5 years. Divided with 5. Okay. Remember it, total revenue 5050 divided by 5. Answer is, what is answer? 1010. Option B. Add it all the values, we'll get a total revenue. What is the difference between revenue and expenditure of company A over the years? Revenue already got in previous question. Okay. Now we will calculate for expenditure. Total expenditure is how much? Okay, 750 plus 850, 1600, 1600 plus 1050, 2650, 2650 plus here 1250, 2650 plus 2050, it is equal to how much? 4. So 750 plus 850, 1600, 1600 plus 1050, 2650, 2650 plus 2000, 3000, 4700, yes, got it. 800, 4700. In 4700, 5050. Difference is how much? 1650. Then 1650 means 1650, na? No. 350. Option A. Next. What is the average expenditure of the company A over the years? Average expenditure means we know total expenditure. Total expenditure is divided by 5. In previous question already calculated total expenditure. 4700 by 5 equal to how many lakhs? 940 lakhs. Option A. Next. What is the ratio of sum of expenditure in the year 2012 and 2013 to that revenue in the year 2014? So 2012-2013 expenditure is required. 2012 expenditure, how much expenditure? It is a 1040, and it is 2013, it is a 800, it is a 1850. This ratio to is revenue in 2014. Revenue in 2014 is 1500. 0 will be cancelled, both are cancelled with 5 table. 5 3s are 15 and 5 7s are, and it is a 5 30s are. Ratio is, what is the ratio? 37:30. So in which year was the profit percentage highest? How you get profit means, if it is revenue is greater than expenditure, that is you can call a profit. Where it is a revenue is more comparing to it is a expenditure. In this case only, no? This is a revenue extra and this is a revenue extra. It's a revenue extra. 2013 and 2014. Okay, revenue is more comparing to expenditure. Here is also not 2011, 2013. So next it is 2014. And check the values here. Revenue is more than expenditure. It is how much more? 350 or 250? 250 more comparing to what is the value? 800. We need percentage multiply with 100. Here is how much more? Revenue is more than the expenditure. How much more it is? 250. 250 more than 1250. We need percentage multiply with 100. Okay. This is belongs to 2013. This is belongs to 2014. Which here is more? So cancel the measurements. Here is 800. 800 cancel. 250 by 8. It's almost how much you will get? 8 3s are 24. Okay. And 30. 31s are almost how much percentage will get? 31 percentage. And here is 125. 125 2s are and it is equal to how much percentage? 20 percentage. Which year is more? 2013 year is more. Then 2013 year is more. Then option C is right. If the sum of upstream and downstream, both basically we know that boat speed is equal to up plus downstream by 2 equal to boat speed. That means boat speed equal to how many kmph? 18 kmph, because sum is 36 means by 2 equal to 18, boat speed is 18, and current speed we know that 3 kmph. We need to calculate time. Time for how many hours? 52.5 kilometers with the journey of how much? 21. Okay. So 18 plus 3 equal to upstream or downstream? Downstream means both should be added, it is equal to 21. 21 2s are 42 and 105, 25 5s are. It is equal to how many hours? 2.5 hours. Option B is right. Sum becomes 1.6 times. If you are deposited 100, it is becoming 160. If you are deposited 100, it is become 160. This is principal, this is amount. How much interest you are gaining? 60 rupees. On 100% you are getting 160% amount. Your interest is 60% for how many years? 5 years. 5 years 60% means 1 year how much percentage? That is the rate of interest. Then option D is right. Ratio of present ages of two persons is A and B is 3:2. After 4 years, ratio of their ages is 3:2 and 7:10. After 4 years means it is a value should be not covered by equally. That's why this 3 will be multiplied here. This 3 will be multiplied here. This 1 will be multiplied. When 3 will be multiplied, this gap will be multiplied in opposite ratios. 3 3s is 9, 3 2s is 6. Okay, and it is a ratio is 1 will be multiplied here. It is a value is what is the ratio? 10:7. This basically B is to 7 mentioned. This is mentioned B is to A. You should convert into A is to B. This is B. This is A. This is A. This is B. Try to make it A is to B. Okay, here is also 10:7. How many parts incremented? 1 part. 1 part equal to how many years? 4 years. 1 part equal to 4 years means 6 parts equal to how many years? 24 years. Then option C. If the parts are not equal, you can multiply the gaps opposite ratios. The difference between circumference of a diameter. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and diameter is 2r, which is equal to 90. From this you can write 2 into 22 by 7 minus 2, which is equal to r and 90. And 7 2s are 14. 2 22s are value is equal to 44. 44 minus 14 it is a 30. 30 by 7 r equal to 90. 30 to 90 3 times r is equal to how much? 21. Once you have a radius value, you can easily calculate area of circle. Okay, and this is about A circle. And coming to the B circle, radius is become 14 because comparing to this radius, how much less? 7 centimeters less. They are asking again area of circle. Area of circle formula is pi r square. Pi r square. You can write 22 by 7 into r square means 14 into 14. 7 to 14 how many times? 2 times. 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56, 56 into 11, then answer is 616. Option B. There are 40 children in a class. Okay, total children are 40 children, and there is a boys and there is a girls, and boys are 4 more. It is half value 2 and half value 20. 40 half value 2 and 42 or half value is 2. This is the 22 boys and 18 girls. 22 boys and 18 girls. 22 plus 18 equal to 40. 22 to 18 difference is what? 4. Okay, then 20 plus 2 is 22, 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. boys average age, and average weight of a girls is mentioned 48, and total students average is mentioned 42.5, and we don't know what is the boys average weight. Apply the mixture allegation. So 48 to 42.5 difference is how much? 5.5. Okay, and this is what? This is we don't know clearly, but multiply it. 11 to 11s and 2 9s. 11 parts equal to 55. 11 parts equal to 55 means then 9 parts equal to how much? 11 parts equal to 55 means here is multiply with 5 means here is also multiply with 5. It should be how much? 4.5. From what number you are removing, you will get 4.5. ఈ 4.5 రావాలి అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ నుంచి ఎంత తీసేయాలి? 42.5 నుంచి ఎంత తీసేయాలి ఇక్కడ? 38. You can go through the options. 38 substitute చేస్తేనే వస్తుంది. 38 minus 42.5 you will get 4.5. Then boys average age is 38 kgs. Okay. Thank you.